Hey, wouldn't this be a quick unboxing here of the Fitbit Charge 5. This one, as you can see from the picture and here, this is the platinum stainless steel case and steel blue band. So this is very cool. So we take off the sleeve, we're greeted with this white box here. That baby up and we get the Fitbit Charge 5. Come back to that in just a moment here. We have a quick start guide and product information there. A bunch of stuff on here as well. We have our, let's say this is probably the large, the large size of the band. Nothing else in that one. It's a really cool box design. Really like this. Here you have your crazy looking charger. I really wish Fitbit would use the same charger for all of them. Love the one I have for the Ionic. It's magnetic and it's just awesome. So take this off of here. Maybe. Alright, now let's take a quick look at this beautiful tracker here. So that is a really cool blue. It's kind of like a gray blue, what I would call that. The band itself is more like a silver, or the watch itself, excuse me. The case is a silvery color. You have your spot there for the charger. There's your heart rate, and then you have the Fitbit logo there. You have your infinity. I think I'm doing that wrong right now. You have your infinity band tip here. You can find a crazy amount of these things for this band and other for this watch, this fitness tracker, and other Fitbits on Amazon.com for super cheap. Otherwise, you spend, I think they're like 20-30 bucks, something like that, around 30 bucks for these on Fitbit's own website. To change out the band here, we should just be able to somehow hit that in. Alright, that's easier than I thought it was. So you just take the same hand. There's that little guy right here, little off-colored thing here. Take your nail, push into it a bit, and let's see. There we go. Your actual nail on there, and it pops right on off. And it should just line this part up here with the slit. Here, a little snap there. Same thing for the other side. Let's see. I just don't have very long nails right now. It's a little bit harder to do. But that's super easy to do though overall. That's really cool. I really like how these are both replaceable on both sides. Again, go on Amazon.com, find a crazy amount of them. Yeah, so I'm going to charge this thing up. Then we'll see how this thing goes and be back with some more vids. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to try and do a Ionic versus Charge 5 video here pretty soon. Alright, thank you guys very much for watching. As always, I appreciate you. Hope you all have a good one. Goodbye.